Hey, crypto fam. Are you ready for a game-changing opportunity in the DeFi world? The 35th exclusive token generation event for MITO by Mitosis is dropping on Binance Wallet. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive into why this is huge and how you can get in on the action. Stick around. Imagine getting early access to a token that's set to revolutionize decentralized finance. That's exactly what the MITO Token Generation Event, or TGE, is all about, happening on August 28th, 2025. This exclusive event is your chance to grab MITO tokens before they hit the broader market. Let's break it down. MITO is the native token of the Mitosis ecosystem, a next-gen Layer 1 blockchain designed to make DeFi more accessible and efficient. Mitosis solves real problems in DeFi, like static liquidity and exclusive opportunities for big players. With MITO, you're not just holding a token, you're part of a system that powers transactions, smart contracts, staking rewards, and even governance. It's built for both traders and long-term investors, and it's launching on Binance Wallet with PancakeSwap. This is big. Here's the deal. The 35th exclusive TGE kicks off on August 28th, 2025, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. UTC. That's a tight 2-hour window, so you've got to be ready. You'll need Binance Alpha points to participate. More on that in a sec. After the subscription period, Binance futures trading for MITO opens at 2:30 p.m. UTC the same day, so you can start trading almost immediately. The event portal with all the details is coming soon, so keep an eye on Binance and Mitosis's official channels. Want to join? Here's how to prep. 1. Update your Binance app to the latest version. 2. Make sure you have a Binance wallet set up. Keyless wallet is the way to go. 3. Check your Binance Alpha points. You'll need these to participate, and you can earn them by engaging with Binance's ecosystem. 4. Have some BNB ready, as the TGE will likely involve depositing up to 3 BNB for token allocation. 5. Stay glued to Binance and Mitosis's X accounts for the event portal link and final eligibility details. Pro tip: double-check the official MITO contract address to avoid scams. Safety first. This isn't just another token launch. Mitosis is backed by big names like Amber Group and Foresight Ventures, with $7 million in funding. Their ecosystem is all about programmable liquidity, meaning your assets work harder for you. Plus, with 15 million MITO tokens up for grabs in their booster campaign, and a total supply capped at 1 billion, this is a rare chance to get in early on a project with real utility and massive potential. So what are you waiting for? Mark your calendar for August 28th, 2025. And get ready to join the MITO TGE on Binance Wallet via PancakeSwap. Follow Binance, Mitosis, and PancakeSwap on X for the latest updates. And hey, if you're excited about this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss a crypto opportunity like this one. Drop a comment below. Will you be joining the TGE? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, Crypto Crew. Stay smart, stay safe, and let's ride this DeFi wave together. See you in the next video.